Understanding the phrase, off base, in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the phrase, off base, to uncover its meaning and usage in the English language. Whether you're a language enthusiast or just curious, stay tuned as we explore this interesting expression. The phrase, off base, is an idiom in English, commonly used to indicate that someone's opinion, idea, or fact is incorrect or not aligned with the truth. It originates from baseball, where a player is safe only when they are touching a base. So, being off base means being in a vulnerable or wrong position. Let's look at some examples to see how off base is used in different contexts. Disagreement. I think you're off base on that issue. The facts don't support your argument. Correction. The rumor you heard about the company merger is completely off base. Misunderstanding. If you thought I was upset with you, you're off base. I was just having a bad day. Understanding synonyms can expand your vocabulary. Here are a few. Inaccurate, mistaken, wrong, erroneous. These words can be used interchangeably with off base in most contexts. Incorporating off base into your language can add nuance to your conversations. Remember, it's typically used in informal settings. For example, during a debate or discussion, instead of directly saying someone is wrong, you might soften the blow by saying, I think you might be a bit off base there. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, this video has clarified the meaning and use of the phrase, off base. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be using it like a native speaker. See you in our next English language adventure.